Love, eto na, after 6 years, ikakasal na tayo. Promise na, promise ko sa kanya. Akong promise ko. Promise na iintindihin kita lagi at hindi ako aalis sa tabi mo. Kahit anong mangyari.
Dear brothers and sisters in Christ, we are gathered to celebrate the Holy Eucharist, to witness the sacrament of marriage between Reggie and Eliza. I hope and I pray that kaya kayo nagpapakasal. That is why you are in this sacrament of marriage. It is because you have also come to experience the love of Christ. Not just the love of your family, but most especially the love of Christ.
Mula ngayon, ikaw na ang tahanan ko, love. Unti-unti nating abutin lahat ng pangarap nating dalawa. Susuportahan kita sa lahat ng bagay. Magsisilbi akong lakas mo pag pinaghihinaan ka na. Bubuin natin ang pangarap nating pamilya.
I am congratulating you for taking the risk of coming here and declaring before God and before His church that you intend to live with and to love one another until you die. A risk, because when we truly love someone, we are always taking a risk, and it is called sacrifice.
Sana magustuhan mo itong gift ko sa'yo. Sabi mo kasi gusto mong mag-invest sa gold, so ito na, love. Sana suotin mo lagi. I love you, see you later. P.S. May isa pa akong gift. Happy birthday, bebe.
Through meadows and fields and streets
To my baby, itong gift ko sa'yo ay yung bagay na ayaw kong ikaw ang pumili o bumili, kasi yung gusto ko yung mas tumagal tulad ng relasyon natin.
Nanligaw? Ano nga ba siya nanligaw? Basta sabay na lang kaming nagla-lunch, tapos hindi ko na siya nire-replyan noon. Biglang kung ano-ano nang ginawa niyang paraan.
Or maybe I was never lost at all. I'm 1,000 miles from what I had before. It's only now I realize where I'm from. Maybe I'm
Alam
already
kung bakit naging kami. Parang friends lang una, hanggang sa nagkamabutihan. After 6 years, kakasal na tayo. Yung dating pinangarap lang natin, ito na. Bali, pinapangako ko sa'yo na kung ano ako dati, mas hihigitan ko pa. Tsaka babaguhin ko lahat kung ano man yung ayaw.
Or maybe I was never It's only now I realize where I'm from. Maybe I'm already home. It's in
Pinapangako kong mamahalin at rirespetuhin kita bilang aking may bahay. Ikaw ang magsisilbing ilaw ng aking tahanan at ilaw ng aking mundo. Mula sa araw na to, misis ko, hindi ka na mag-iisa. Kasama mo na ako sa lahat. Mahal na mahal kita.
Or maybe I was never lost at all. I'm 1,000 miles from what I had before. It's only now I realize where I'm from. Maybe I'm already home.
Uy, ay!
When it's just us here in the night, I can see so clear every time until you disappear in the light. We only make sense in the night. When it's just us here in the night, I can see so clear every time until you disappear in the light. We only make
Mamaya magsa-celebrate tayo ng birthday. Alam mo na.
Love you.
Reggie and Eliza, again, congratulations. Let us love according to how the Lord has loved.
us here in the night.